Hello students. Now we shall continue with the exercise questions on formation of partial differential equations by eliminating arbitrary functions. Question number 7. Eliminate the arbitrary function from the relation z is equal to y into f of y by x. Here we have to eliminate arbitrary function f. We take the given relation as equation 1. Now, to eliminate arbitrary function f, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y. So, when we differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x, we get dou z by dou x. It is denoted by p equal to here partial derivative of y into f of y by x. In the case of partial derivative with respect to x, y term is constant. So, it is y into partial derivative of f of y by x with respect to x is f dash of y by x into derivative of y by x. With respect to x is y constant, y into derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, or it is minus x square p equal to y square into f dash of y by x. That is equation number 2. Now differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y, we obtain dou z by dou y, that is equal to q equal to, now we are differentiating partially with respect to y. Here in the right hand side there are two terms, but in both the terms we have y. So we use product rule. First term y into the partial derivative of f of y by x with respect to y is f dash of y by x into derivative of y by x with respect to y, that is 1 by x. Next, plus second term is f of y by x into derivative of y, that is 1. So it is f of y by x. Take it as equation 3. Now to eliminate arbitrary function from the given relation, I will take equation 2. From equation 2, I will write f dash of y by x as minus x square p divided by y square. And from equation 1, f of y by x is equal to z divided by y. Now using this in equation 3, because in equation 3 we have f dash of y by x and f of y by x. Substituting for these two in equation 3, we obtain q is equal to y by x into minus x square p divided by y square plus z divided by y, or q is equal to minus xp divided by y plus z by y, or it can be written as qy plus xp equal to z. Now let us solve the next problem. Eliminate the arbitrary function from z is equal to f of xy divided by z. Now we take the given relation as equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. We obtain p is equal to dou z by dou x. Here derivative of f of xy by z, partial derivative with respect to x will be f dash of xy divided by z into partial derivative of xy by z with respect to x. Here we require quotient rule. So the partial derivative of xy by z is z into derivative of xy with respect to x is y. So it is zy minus xy into derivative of z with respect to x, that is dou z by dou x, that is denoted by p, divided by z square. So we are getting p is equal to dou z by dou x equal to f dash of xy by z into zy minus xyp divided by z square. Take it as equation 2. Now similarly, when we differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y, we obtain q is equal to dou z by dou y, that is f dash of xy by z into partial derivative of xy by z with respect to y, that is z into x minus xy into partial derivative of z with respect to y, that is q divided by z square, that is by quotient rule. I'll take this as equation number 3. Now to eliminate arbitrary function, we can make use of equation 2 and 3. From equation 2 and 3, we can eliminate f dash. To eliminate f dash from equation 2 and 3, I'll divide equation 2 by equation 3. When we divide equation 2 by 3, we are getting P by Q is equal to Z into Y minus XYP divided by ZX minus XYQ, or we write it as P into ZX minus XYQ equal to Q into ZY minus XYP. So after simplifying on both sides, here PXYQ term gets cancelled. So the remaining terms here PXZ equal to QYZ. Again here Z is common. So further we can write this as Px equal to Qy. So this is a required partial differential equation.